What we see here is a Kenroy Casbah Deluxe. Bit of an odd model. Here's his walnut cane blades, filigree sideband, stamped switch cap, nice tassel pull chain. Ooh. Here is the top of the fan. There's your canopy. The motor in this thing is cast iron. I'm not sure who the OEM is quite yet, but I would assume possibly Tyeb. Could be a newer Tyeb, because the motor has a groove in it. So, here, you see the box. Okay, so now we're going to see what this thing does. Starting on low. The low speed is somewhat average. Pretty decently slow. Alright, let's go to medium. Medium is a bit average for your 52-inch fan. Nothing too unusual here. Kind of hear it. Let's go to high now. Now high, like many cast iron motors, is fast as hell. Yeah, I would say this thing does about 240, 250 RPMs on high. And it has a good amount of starting torque as well. Let it coast. Found this fan new in the box at a thrift shop. First, I turned the corner, saw a box, didn't think it was anything. Then I noticed it was a ceiling fan. Alright, look on the box, it looked kind of didn't look too assuming, didn't look too great, looked kind of meh at first glance. Then I picked it up, and I thought it was like, yeah, this is heavy, a little too heavy. So, I got it. Realized it was cast iron, made me kind of happy. As far as the box says, the fan was available in polished brass and antique brass, as you see here. I want to say this fan dates to the mid-80s. Just because it uses a stamped switch cap. Okay. Now we're going to reverse it. See what it does straight from high. As you can see, it flies also on high. That's a little bit of a wobble because one of the blade irons is a little bent downwards a little bit compared to the others. I've tried to massage it into place, but evidently it's not quite perfect yet. Now, the ball socket canopy is unique to Kenroy's. I think it was a thing they added to all of their fans, regardless of the OEM. For instance, I have a Kenroy Max Industrial with this canopy. Otherwise, normally this Industrial by the OEM it usually goes by would come with a bell canopy, not ball socket. So this was something the label added after they received the fans from the OEM. So and there you have it, a Kenroy Casbah Deluxe.